Hello everybody, today we are playing car crash test. So all you have to do is just get cars, spawn cars, and then you crash. So yeah, we're gonna play car crash test. Kaboom! Yes? Crash. Kaboom! Wala toto. Ah! My car! Ah! Well, I exploded. Okay, we're switching cars. But this car just looks nice. Okay. We're gonna ram into that purple car. That purple and maroon to you guys. It's purple to me. Let's crash. Um, let's just say somewhere. Okay. Oh! 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 What happened? My car just turned into bits. See, broom broom! Ah! Go. Let's turn this car. Ah! Oh, you just don't know. Okay. What's this? I don't do cards like this. Whoop-pow! Did I push her? Ma'am. Hey, Mike. Ah! My car. My car. My car. Normal. Let's do this one. This one looks nice. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm coming for you. His van flipped. He's trying to explode cars. Don't worry, I'm fast and furious. Yeah, there we go. Wahoo! My... Ah! He just exploded my car. Okay, this car. The sign. Sir! Sir. Is this still drivable? Is this still drivable? Ah! I just killed myself. Okay, new car, new plan. Let's go. Wait, there's a new plan because you just crashed cars. What is that? My car. My car. Let's get that red one. Sir, 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 sir. Ah! Okay, normal car. Okay, let's spawn this car. Okay. Good. Perry. Perry. So, okay. I accidentally killed myself. Wow. Okay. To do this car, then just sir. You missed. Ah! Evelyn. Stop. Okay. Which car? This one. Okay. So we're gonna use this car. Stop! What? Oh, I'm lagging. So that is gonna be it for today, and I hope I see you next time, and peace out.